That's the stunt man that normally plays the great blue heron. I swear. No, this is just me being a turkey. Okay. That is not my turkey. I don't know what the hell it's doing in the yard. They can fly. I don't know. This might be a wild turkey. I think it's domesticated. No, shit. What if this is a wild turkey? Okay, well, nature, amateur, dude, go away. Okay, I don't fucking own a turkey. If you missing a turkey, please call 1-800-YouTube. Get away. It's kind of intimidating, really. They're big. Look at dog bone, literally. We have dogs. I don't know where they are. We apparently have the baddest ass dogs, guard dogs. Come on in the house, turkey. There's a frying pan inside. No shit. Will this work? Hunting the wild turkey. We stalk our prey. Come here. Gobble fucking gobble, dude. Come on inside, bro. Come on in. Holy shit. There's a turkey walking in the house. No one would believe me. Unless I had a fucking video camera. Hey, Dad. You have a turkey in your house. Gobble, gobble, okay. Apparently, putting you into a frying pan is bad juju, but if it was Thanksgiving, it's cool. Here, get out. Get the fuck out, bitch. I don't know whose turkey this is, but if this is your turkey, could you please get the fuck out of the house, dude? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Dude, November, fucking, it would be different, I swear. Go away. Okay. Psst. Go away, go away! Go away. Anyway, check it out. One time, yeah. Man versus nature. Go away. Go away, go away. Go away. Whatever. Fucking what? Okay, fuck you. Bye. No, I'm kidding. I would kick its ass. If I was hungry. Yeah. I'm not, because it's not thanks. Look, there's a turkey in the yard. I know you think I'm.
I see two of them.
Okay, kitten skulls. Shut up.
Your turkey's following you.
It's not my fucking turkey.
Hi, guy. What's your name?
But where are the dogs? Dogs. Yeah, you think it's fucking funny now? Watch. Okay, be nice, dogs. There's a turkey in the yard. Whatever. Go away. Is it a wild turkey or like a fucking? It doesn't look like the ones in the pictures.
Next door.
Well, yeah, but is it the kind that is like a, you know, you eat, or it's a forest turkey?
Yeah.
It can't be like, they'd be easy to eat. I can see how you could fucking be like, oh, let's just eat these things.
Yeah.
Like the pilgrims were lazy and like, oh, well, that annoying bird. Let's get rid of it.
Chickens. Let's eat these.
This is the Thanksgiving episode.
Yeah.
Go away!
Get out of my yard.
It won't leave.
Like you.
Stupid bird. Shh. Hold on, let's do the nature videos with a giant bird. The huge raptor. Oh, fuck. Ah! I'm kidding. Turkey. I think it's a turkey.
It appears turkey.
Okay, are you a turkey? Gobble, gobble.
Go away, little turkey.
Okay, if you're missing a turkey, I'm missing dogs. Maybe we can do an exchange. Go away.